Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to Product Focus Friday. This month we were focusing on tools as well as Carta. So we pretty much used up all of that other Carta collection that I had. There was lots of stickers left and maybe a couple scraps, and that was it. So I wanted to dive into this other Carta scrap room kit I had, which is Carta Cool Summer. What did I say? From 2013. So it's got these cute clouds that I plan on fussy cutting. This cute ice cream banner, and on the back is this pink and brown polka dot. On the back of the clouds is a nice chevron, and then a beautiful stripe paper with this beautiful blue. I love this blue. And the last tool we are going to be playing with is the fuse tool. So I haven't done like big things with the fuse tool, or not fuse tool. We're not playing with the fuse tool. We're playing with the freestyle. I haven't done big things with the freestyle in a while. I don't know how big I'm going to go today, but I have my fuse mat because I figured if my hot fuse thing can sit in this silicone like pouch it has, then why couldn't my freestyle pen, right? So I have that warming up. I think what I'm going to do is I really like this leaf green thing. It might take me a while, but I think I'm going to do that kind of behind my photo in this brighter green because I really want to fussy cut those clouds, and I really want to use some of that ice cream banner paper because I have some photos, or a photo I should say, of our vacation that I've been scrapbooking that I have to print, and I can with my selfie, which I'm super excited about. So I think I can turn it on from here too. I am going to get that connected, get my photo printed. I think it's going to be a 4x6. And so I was thinking about doing some paper layers down here, photo, and doing some foiling of leaves like coming out from behind my photo, maybe a tag or two, because in the kit is some twine. And yeah, that's all I've got thought out so far. But I thought it would be kind of fun to have the foiling in the background. It might also be kind of fun to do some blue since I'm gonna fussy cut some clouds. But I don't think I have a light blue. Oh, wait, I might have a light blue. Well, I don't really think it matters because what are the colors in this? I'm supposed to have a light blue. Yeah. Did I use all of it? That's the real question. I don't think so. I haven't used a lot of this foil. But I'm doing the light green for sure because there's light green. I haven't. Ooh, maybe I'll do some foiling with clouds instead of the flowers. And then we'll just freehand it and we'll do it on the background. That would be fun. And it's like kind of a turquoisey blue. Ooh, okay. Changed my mind. That's what we're doing. We're not doing stenciling. We'll save stenciling for a different day. We're just going to do clouds. So I'm going to go ahead and get my photo printed and get some of this done, this foiling done with my freestyle pen and other papers, mat, etc., and I'll be back. So I apologize. I was doing my foiling, and I was going to hit record so you could see some of it, but I did not. So I have not glued these things down, but I glued my paper layers down. So I just took the foil. Some of them are kind of wonky, but I'm not too worried about it because I fussy cut some clouds to cover some of them up and to scatter. So I just wanted to add something in the background and to add some fluffy clouds. And so I just laid my foil down and just freehand dotted lined drew something that looks like a cloud shape because the clouds have drawn stitching around them, the ones that I fussy cut. So that way there's just a little something in the background. And then I was playing with how I wanted this laid out. I really wanted this blue color to really stand out because I did the foil in a bright blue, but I really wanted these ice cream treats because that's what we're doing in this photo. Is we're at an ice cream place. And so I just cut some strips of some patterns. This brown is the back of this ice cream one, and this blue, the other side, is the stripe that I showed you. And so I matted my photo as well, and then I took the tag that came with it and matted it also in the blue. And I think I'm gonna stick the tag up here. I put all the twine through it. I'm probably gonna trim that down. And this is like the perfect place for a title. So I think I'm going to stamp the title or find thickers and do the title up there. And so I'll tuck my photo down a little bit farther than when I originally planned, but that'll be fine because I can put fussy cut clouds. I grabbed some Ellie Studio stuff. I only have a few die cuts left in this little sheet, and they all kind of coordinate with what I've got going on here, so I might try and tuck in a bunch of those. I have these Ellie's Studio ice cream stickers as well, so I think we'll use some of those. I also still have some of these summer chipboard stickers, which also kind of go together. And then my kit came with these puffies, which we will definitely be tucking around. I got a partial pack, it looks like. There's like clouds, some hearts, some flowers, strawberries, XOXO hill. So we will definitely be tucking those around as well. I just wanted some slightly bigger items for tucking and making some clusters. So I grabbed this LA Studio stuff. So I have my clouds, but I left them in my living room. So let me go get my fussy cut clouds so I can start putting those on the background. And we'll glue this stuff down. We'll start creating some clusters. And then I got to figure out what I want to do for a title here. I was looking at these stickers and some of these kind of made me think of a title. So we all scream for ice cream, ice cream, you scream, ice cream for dinner, triple scoop, I could do quadruple scoop, would be kind of cute, and or dessert first, something like that. So I might pull from one of these stickers and make that my title and stamp that up there. I thought that would be kind of fun, and I could do it in some fun colors. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go, there's more tags that would go with this stuff as well, and then those circle stickers I think I'll go grab out from Ellie's Studio as well. So I will be back. Okay, so I got my clouds glued down. I trimmed my tag. I stamped scoop, and I forgot that I had these Pink Fresh alphas where it's blue on the one side and pink and yellow and orange on the other side, which is perfect. So I'm gonna do quadruple scoop with the pink. You know, the sad thing is my test stamp was perfect, and then this was my real stamp, and it whatever. But this is kind of a glossy surface, so that might have been why. I glued down all those LE Studio die cuts from this one thing, so that is done. And I grabbed a couple of the chipboard, put those around. And now we're gonna do quadruple up there, and then I was gonna start scattering some of these ice cream cones. Stickers. Just kind of wherever. I think I'll just add a few of those ice creams like that. I don't know. I grabbed so many things. I went and grabbed more that I'm not going to need. There's enough going on. I just always go grab more. And I got a little spot where I can journal a tiny bit. I don't need to journal too much. I don't think. Watch me run out of room. Need one more up there because there's an odd amount. I'll put the little bee. Little bumblebee. I'm gonna write a little bit, and that's it. So there'll be some close-ups here right after. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next Friday where we'll have a new month. So we'll have new things, and you'll see that on my wrap-up video for the month. So I'll see you then. Bye.